In this video, I want to talk about how you can keep YouTube playing on your TV. Now, if you want to keep YouTube playing on your TV, I'll quickly show you some different ways that you can do this on the different devices. So, if you're using a smart TV or any streaming device, just make sure that the YouTube app is active. So make sure that you're using the app, because if you don't use it, it might stop playing. And something else you can do is you can disable the screensaver. So just go into the settings and check if there's any options in there to disable it. And you can also put on autoplay. So while you're watching a YouTube video and inside of YouTube settings, there will be an autoplay button, which will make it keep playing. Now, if you're casting from a phone, what you can do is you can keep the app open on your phone, as well as make sure it's connected to the TV. Because if you close the app or you disconnect from the TV, it will stop playing. And then also you can disable your screen lock, so your screen doesn't automatically lock. You can do this inside of your settings. And if you're using the desktop, what you can do is just don't minimize or close the tab, and it will be streamed to your TV if you have it connected. And as long as you have it open on there, it should be good to go. Now, as a last thing, you can disable power saving, which is a saving that will, if you don't use your PC for a little bit, it will turn the screen off. So you can disable that, and that might also work. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.